Hi, this is Sayyid Faiz bin Rashid. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the way to find the complete solution of Legendre homogeneous differential equation. So let's do it. Okay, in Legendre homogeneous differential equation, we have a general form which is a plus bx and dy dxn plus a1 a plus bx n minus 1 d n minus 1 x n minus 1 plus to so on to a n x. Now in this a b a1 to a n are the constants, where x is equal to fx, or this is the function of x. Now in Legendre differential equation, a plus bx, this is a general manner, is equal to dy, okay, and it is also the definition of d upon dz or any variable. Why this is? Because we reduce it to the linear differential equation with constant coefficients by substitution. Now let's say we substitute it with a plus bx with a plus bx is equal to exponential to the power of z, and it will become z is equal to log a plus bx. Okay, so in that manner I said it. Okay, now if we have the second derivative, okay, I missed it over here, dy upon dx, if we have a second derivative, so this one, let's say this is the second derivative, so we write it as d minus 1 dy. Okay, if we have a cubic one, the third derivative, then we write it as d minus 2 d minus 1 y. And if we have 4, 5, and it will goes in the same manner, so on. So let's solve it an example or a question and find the complete solution of Legendre homogeneous equation. Let's say we have a question over here, q 1 plus x whole square d square y dx square plus 1 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 sine log 1 plus x. Okay, substituted. I'm substituting it with the variable z. Ez is equal to 1 plus x, and it will become z is equal to log 1 plus x. Okay, so for the complete solution, we have to find the complementary function plus particular integral, or we can say that y is equal to yc plus yp for the complete solution. Now change this form and substitute the value in this equation and change this it with d form. So we have d minus 1 y plus dy plus y is equal to 2 sine log 1 plus x is equal to z over here. Now we have an auxiliary equation which is equal to d minus 1 y plus dy plus 1 plus y is equal to z, and this form becomes d minus 1 plus d plus 1 is equal to z. Now when we simplify it, it will become d square minus d plus 1 and is equal to 0, and this will cancel out each other, and we have d square plus 1 is equal to z. Now for the roots, we have m square plus 1, let's say 0, and m square is equal to minus 1, and we have the roots plus minus iota, and the complementary function, or the yc, is equal to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. Now for the particular integral, or the yp, we take this term as yp is equal to 1 upon d square plus 1 2 sin z. Okay, so this is, we have case 2 or rule 2, where we have the sine value over here. So put 1, there is 1, the coefficient is 1 over here, so put it here, over place it over here, and d square, place d square by minus 1 square, so it will become yp is equal to 1 upon minus 1 square plus 1 2 sin z. So it will become 2 sin z, and there is 0. So so we again differentiate it, and again differentiate, so we differentiated this term, and we got, after differentiate with respect to z, we got yp is equal to 1 upon 2d 2 sin z. 2 and 2 cancel over here, so we have sine, one more thing over here, this is sine. When we differentiate this sine, there is z, so z sine z over d. So in case 2, we cannot replace one or any coefficient with d, so we take a conjugate over here. So what we have, 1 upon d into d upon d, z sin z, or place it z over here, z sin z. So we have z d square sin z. Okay, so replace it d square by minus 1 square, so we got minus square sin z, and we have minus sin d sin z. In previous page I defined d with d upon dz, so differentiate, we have z dy by dz sin z, differentiate it, so we got z cos z sin z cos z dy by dz. Okay, now we have a yp, we have a yc, we have a yp, and we have a yc. The formula of complete solution is yc plus yp. So plus it, c1 cos z plus c2 sin z plus minus z cos z. Now put the actual values of z, which is c1 cos, which z is equal to log 1 plus x. So 1 plus x plus c2 sin log, there is log also, log 1 plus x minus log 1 plus x into cos log 1 plus x, and this is our complete solution.